Welcome to PaidToday, how to create orders. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the left sidebar for orders. And you can see we got a few here made, but on the top right, go ahead and click Create New Order. And then we're going to go ahead and choose the contact we want to create this order for. I'm going to search for one in the filter here. And that's the one I want. So then go ahead, once you find the person that you want, go ahead and click the Choose button. And then you can see that it's kind of auto-populated the information that you had for them over here on the left. And then simply use contact information for billing or enter in your own if they have it, if they're going to use a different billing address. And then the same thing for the shipping. If this order requires shipping, you can also do that. And I'm just going to use the contact information. The order date will leave today. If you are attributing sales to sales reps, simply choose the team member you want to attribute the sale to. And then for the line items, we just go ahead and click Add Order Item. And then we can choose from any of the products that we've created in the Products Creator. So you just go ahead and select it, auto-populates that in. You can up the quantity or the price per unit, so you can make edits to these as well. And then this here is the shipping. If you need to add shipping costs to a specific line item, you can do that here. And then you just go ahead and choose a few more. This also can be a completely new one. Custom painted fender one, and be like, let's say 1500. And then the shipping can be 200 to get that out. Add a description. And you can see all of our totals and subtotals are adding up down here. Then once you do that, go ahead and save it. And if you want to send an email that the order has been created for your customers to go in and pay from the client portal, you can go ahead and just click Send Order, and this will send them an email saying, "Hey, order's been created. View here." They'll click on it, and then it'll take them into your website, your business's client portal. If you don't do that and they log in, they're going to be able to see the order anyways, as long as it's been created and saved.